launched just before CES 2018, but shown off for the first time at the show. It features a 5.6-inch, Full HD Super AMOLED display, 4GB of RAM, 32GB of internal storage, 16MP rear camera, dual front cameras and a 3,000 mAh battery. The Galaxy A8 takes design cues from the flagship Galaxy S8, although you'll note that it doesn't have the same bezel-less infinity display as its more costly sibling. Bezels have been kept relatively thin though, with the A8's body measuring 149.2 by 70.6 by 8.4 mm. Coupled with curved rear edges, the Galaxy A8 sits nicely in the palm and doesn't feel too overbearing. The glass front and rear, and metal frame, give the Galaxy A8 a premium look, but in the hand the back of the device doesn't feel as premium as the finish on the Galaxy S8. The Samsung Galaxy A8 packs a 5.6-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display with an 18:9 aspect ratio and 1080 by 2220 resolution. The Samsung Galaxy A8 features 3 cameras. There's a single 16MP, f.1.7 snapper on the back, while on the front you'll find both a 16MP camera alongside an 8MP sensor.